Welcome to the Tech Factory. 13 incredible inventions you need to see. Your go-to place for the latest gadgets, futuristic vehicles, and game-changing innovations. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the future. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Third Thumb. The Third Thumb is a fascinating project created by designer Donnie Claude. It's all about enhancing the human body by adding an extra, functional robotic thumb. Unlike a natural body part, this is a prosthetic device worn on the hand, opposite the natural thumb. What makes it even more innovative is how it works. It's controlled by pressure sensors attached to the wearer's feet. This allows the user to control the thumb intuitively and perform various tasks. The robotic thumb can grasp objects, add extra dexterity, and even extend the capabilities of the human hand. It's a practical tool for tasks requiring precision or multitasking. This project goes beyond functionality. It explores human augmentation, challenging the way we think about our bodies and how they interact with the world. The goal is to redefine what it means to have a complete body, and to push the boundaries of human potential. The Third Thumb isn't just a gadget, it's a step towards expanding our understanding of human capabilities and how technology can enhance everyday life. TOMOLOO 3 wheels. Next up is an innovative product from China, a 3-wheeled electric skateboard. It's compact, powerful, and packed with features. This skateboard is designed to handle up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for adults and teenagers alike. On a single charge, it can travel up to 11 miles. With a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, it's perfect for quick trips or just having fun outdoors. A standout feature is the special spring system. It ensures a smoother ride, even over bumps and uneven surfaces. The battery is another convenient touch. It's easy to remove for charging or replacement. Control is simple and intuitive. The TOMOLOO comes with a remote control that lets you adjust the speed and even activate the brakes remotely. For added style and safety, it features an LED backlight that illuminates your ride, especially in low light conditions. One happy customer shared their experience, saying, "After trying out my kid's hoverboard, I wanted a toy of my own. It's been 20 years since I've been on a skateboard, but this one brought back all the fun." Priced at around $470, the TOMOLOO 3 wheels is a great mix of innovation, practicality, and fun. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, it's a product worth considering. SkiCab. Your premium airport transfer service to the Alps. SkiCab offers a premium transfer service from Geneva Airport to the famous ski resorts in the Alps. It's designed for ski enthusiasts, ensuring a smooth and stress-free journey from the moment you land. Whether you're traveling solo or with a group, SkiCab provides a variety of vehicles to suit your needs. From private cars to spacious minibuses, there's an option for everyone. All vehicles are equipped to handle winter conditions, making sure your ride is both safe and comfortable, even on icy mountain roads. SkiCab is perfect for those carrying ski equipment. Your luggage, including skis and snowboards, will be easily accommodated. The service is not only reliable but also competitively priced, offering great value for your money. The convenience of personalized service means you don't have to worry about a thing. With SkiCab, your ski vacation starts as soon as you land. Enjoy a stylish, comfortable ride to your destination, leaving the stress behind. Skip the hassle of public transport or crowded shuttles. With SkiCab, your adventure in the Alps begins in comfort and style. It's the perfect way to kick off your vacation, ensuring a seamless transition to the slopes. Ball wheel bike. Imagine replacing traditional bike wheels with basketballs. This is the innovative work of an inventor from Australia. Instead of modifying standard wheels, this unique bike uses basketballs as its wheels. The system is simple yet ingenious. The basketballs are held in special frames equipped with 4 rollers. A small wheel in the rear holder spins the ball when you pedal. This setup makes the bike far more maneuverable than regular models, according to its creator. But that's not all. This bike adds an extra layer of fun. When you're done riding, the basketballs can be removed and used for a quick game. It's a bike and a portable basketball setup all in one. The inventor is already planning a version 2.0 to refine the design further. Some online commenters have even suggested creating a version with bowling balls for an added twist. The ball wheel bike isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a fun, out-of-the-box idea that brings creativity and practicality together. Would you ride it? Navia Arma Minibus. A glimpse into the future of city transportation. The Navia Arma Minibus is a self-driving, fully electric vehicle designed to change how we navigate cities. Known as the Navia Autonomous Shuttle, this innovative minibus uses advanced sensor technology, including stereo cameras and lidar, to move safely through its surroundings. With its all-electric system, the Navia shuttle runs efficiently and quietly, operating on set routes or even as an on-demand taxi. It's flexible and practical, ready to adapt to a city's needs. The minibus can carry up to 15 passengers, making it perfect for busy urban areas, corporate campuses, and industrial zones. Since its launch in 2017, the Navia shuttle has proven to be reliable and effective in various locations worldwide. In France, for instance, it operates at the EDF power plant in Civaux, and in Singapore, it's a key part of autonomous shuttle routes. This minibus can move completely without a driver, showcasing the real potential of self-driving vehicles in everyday life. Eco-friendly and efficient, the Navia Arma minibus offers a glimpse into the future of public transportation. It demonstrates how autonomous electric vehicles could reduce emissions, streamline travel, and ultimately make our cities cleaner and more efficient. This is the Navia Arma minibus, a step towards the future of sustainable, smart transit. Chen's electric car concept. Chen's new electric car is like a huge, self-balancing hoverboard that fits up to 5 people. Imagine 60-inch wheels, smart sensors, and motors working together to keep the ride super smooth. What's really cool is that the car's body shifts forward and backward to make speed changes feel gentle for passengers. The design of the wheels means the car can handle bumps without making the ride bumpy for those inside. Plus, this two-wheeled wonder doesn't have a traditional steering wheel. Instead, it turns by adjusting the power and speed of each wheel, offering a futuristic driving experience. It's kind of like the C1 electric Euro car by Lit Motors but with a whole new spin. Aliner. If you're looking for a small and convenient motorhome solution, Aliner is worth considering. These compact campers may look simple, but they unfold to reveal fully equipped living spaces. Despite a frame length starting at just 4 meters, Aliner campers are designed to offer comfort and functionality. They come with options like water supply systems and solar panels for added convenience. Take the Evolution model as an example. It includes 2 queen-size beds measuring 1.6 by 2 meters, providing plenty of space for sleeping. But it doesn't stop there. This model can also transform into a pergola-like setup, creating a fun outdoor space for relaxation or dining. Aliner's standard equipment focuses on simplicity. You won't find overly fancy features, but that's what keeps the price affordable. For instance, the basic Scout model is available for just $14,000. Aliner campers are an excellent choice for anyone who wants an easy-to-use, budget-friendly motorhome that's ready for adventure. Boat lift. Material handling equipment plays a crucial role in lifting and moving boats. A boat lift is designed based on 2 main factors, technical and economic considerations. From a technical perspective, boat lifts are built to safely move boats between land and water. One common type is the rubber-tired gantry crane, specifically designed for small and medium-sized vessels. These cranes, also known as bulb lifts, can handle boats ranging in weight from 10 tons to 600 tons. Interestingly, bulb lifts with a capacity as low as 5 tons are quite rare. This makes them distinct from other cranes like overhead cranes, which are more common. However, you can find a 5-ton bulb lift at the Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya, where it's used for specialized tasks. Boat lifts are essential in shipyards, marinas, and other facilities where efficient boat handling is required. They combine advanced engineering with practical functionality, making them a vital tool for the marine industry. Cloud lamp. Imagine having a cloud floating right in your room. That's the idea behind the cloud lamp. This unique lamp is designed to look just like a fluffy cloud. It's typically made from soft materials like fabric or acrylic, giving it a realistic and cozy appearance. Inside, LED lights bring the cloud to life, creating a warm and inviting glow. Cloud lamps are perfect for any space. They're especially popular in bedrooms and children's rooms, where their dreamy look adds a magical touch. You'll find plenty of options to choose from. Cloud lamps come in different sizes, shapes, and even colors. Some offer the convenience of battery power, while others plug into an outlet. Many can change colors, letting you set the mood, while others stick to a single hue. Safety is a key feature of cloud lamps. They're made from non-toxic materials and don't produce harmful radiation. Still, it's always wise to check the manufacturer's instructions before use. Whether you're looking to add charm to your living space or create a playful atmosphere, a cloud lamp can make a statement. Its soft glow and whimsical design bring a piece of the sky indoors. Gravity Bike. The Gravity Bike is designed for one thing: speeding downhill. It's a special type of bike that relies on the force of gravity to move. Unlike traditional bicycles, this one doesn't need a chain or pedals. It's all about coasting. Even though it looks simple, the Gravity Bike is built for speed. On the right slope, you can reach up to 80 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on a city street. But speed isn't its only feature. The designers made sure the ride is smooth and relaxing. As you cruise downhill, you can enjoy the sound of the wind and the feel of the open road. The Gravity Bike is surprisingly lightweight too, weighing only about 75 pounds. Its wheels are large, up to 20 inches in size, to ensure stability and better control during your ride. The seat is made from a material called Mini Cell 200. It's soft, comfortable, and great at absorbing shocks and vibrations. This means you'll have a steady ride even on bumpy paths. Want to build your own gravity bike? You're in luck. There's a step-by-step guide with detailed pictures available on a website called Instructables.com. It's a fun and rewarding project if you're up for a challenge. So, if you're into thrilling downhill rides or looking for a unique DIY adventure, the Gravity Bike might be just what you need. Electrum LEV e-bike, redefining electric mobility. The Electrum LEV is an innovative e-bike that pushes personal electric mobility to the next level. Its dual-hub motor system gives it the power to climb hills and accelerate quickly. One motor focuses on regenerative braking and high-speed efficiency, while the other boosts acceleration. The unique generator chain drive acts like an automatic transmission, adjusting the effort needed to pedal. This makes riding easier, without the need to manually shift gears. Instead, the Electrum LEV offers a throttle, brakes, and a turn signal system for a seamless experience. With a 17-inch standover height and a swing-away front fairing, it's easy to get on and off the bike. Plus, for just around 30 cents per kilowatt-hour, you can travel up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. The Electrum LEV kit is priced at approximately $10,000, with an additional $3,000 for the frame, fork, and steering assembly. Gibbs Bisy, the motorcycle that transforms into a jet ski. Imagine riding a motorcycle that can transform into a jet ski in seconds. Meet the Gibbs Bisy, a groundbreaking vehicle that combines the thrill of both land and water travel. It's the world's first of its kind, offering the freedom to cruise highways, explore coastlines, or hit the waves, all with a single vehicle. The Bisy is powered by a 2-cylinder petrol engine that delivers 55 horsepower, both on land and water. On the road, it can reach speeds up to 80 miles per hour, while on the water, it cruises at a solid 37 miles per hour. The transition between land and water is seamless, thanks to its automatic coilover spring suspension. When you enter the water, the suspension retracts, allowing you to glide smoothly. For water navigation, the Bisy is equipped with a dual-jet propulsion system, ensuring stability and maneuverability. Whether you're weaving through traffic or riding waves, control is at your fingertips. The vehicle also comes with hydraulic disc brakes and handlebar steering for easy handling. To make the experience even more practical, the Bisy features both road and marine navigation lights. Whether you're riding at night on the highway or navigating in low light on the water, you're covered. Though the Bisy is not yet available for sale, it's expected to come with a hefty price tag of around $330,000. It's the ultimate amphibious motorcycle for those seeking adventure on both land and sea. Ryvid Outset, the future of electric scramblers. The Ryvid Outset is an electric scrambler that brings a fresh look to the electric bike scene. Priced at $5,995, it's built on the popular Anthem platform, combining the best of urban and off-road riding. The design focuses on agility and versatility. You get an upright riding position for better comfort and control, while the narrower seat and taller handlebars make it perfect for various terrains. Another standout feature is its adjustable foot pegs. This gives you the flexibility to adjust your riding style based on the road ahead. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling rough trails, the Ryvid Outset is designed to handle it all. Its suspension system is another impressive aspect. With a 6.5-inch travel inverted fork in the front and a 5.2-inch travel monoshock in the rear, the bike offers a smooth, cushioned ride even on uneven surfaces.